There's something special about strawberry ice cream that always manages to make people happy. Perhaps it's the sweet, succulent flavor of fresh strawberries, or the creamy richness of the ice cream itself. No matter what it is, strawberry ice cream has a way of inspiring people to be their best selves. Roses have been inspiring people for centuries. They are associated with love and appreciation, and their fragrance is said to be uplifting. When you see a rose, it's easy to feel inspired by its beauty and grace. Roses remind us to appreciate the simple things in life, and they can help us to focus on the positives. Cooking with friends is a great way to get inspired in the kitchen. When you're cooking with someone else, you can bounce ideas off of each other and come up with recipes that are truly unique. Plus, it's a lot of fun to cook together.